All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Frank DeSomma of POF-USA, and he's going to take us through this new gun that they've got. So what are we looking at?
So David, we have here the 2019 SHOT Show. I'll call it a tagline, which we have, but I believe we have it. It's called the Ultimate Fight Machine. This is the Revolution DI. The Revolution piston that we brought had 2 award-winning Rifle of the Years, 2017 and 18, Industry Choice Awards and the NRA Golden Bullseye. So last year we also had a Renegade that got Rifle of the Year. It was a DI gun. So for 2019 we combined the Renegade with the Revolution. This is 7.62 by 51, 308 firepower. It's a little carbine, ambidextrous every single thing. Heat sink barrel nut, M-lock rail, quick release, up front at 3 and 9, 2 at the back, M-lock at 3, 6, and 9, 16.5-inch barrel, nitrate heat treated 110, triple port brake, 15-inch Renegade rail, including the E-squared chamber feature that we push-pull extraction. We use the gas as the extractor pulls. This entire gun, ambidextrous everything, with a Mission First tactical stock and grip. We use a Magpul magazine with anti-tilt.
Right,
It's
MFT grip.
Yeah, 6.8 pounds.
Wow, all in.
And this is a rifle length position.
Right, what's the length of the barrel?
16 and a half.
16 and a half.
15-inch rail, rifle length operating system.
Is the barrel fluted or not fluted?
Yes.
Okay.
6.8 pounds. So
Let's see the other
roller
side of it.
camping.
Let's see the other side one.
Just kind of extended the magazine, obviously.
Very cool. And what's this retailing for, roughly?
2,500
$2,500.
MSRP.
Right, and this is direct gas impingement. And what would, do you have any advice whether somebody chooses the piston op rod or the direct gas impingement, or is it really just
So
preference?
at Patriot Ordnance Factory, we're known for making professional grade type of piston drivens. That's what we're known for.
Right.
So 2 years ago, just over 2 years ago, we started the Renegade. We've had quite a bit of success
5.56.
with a direct impingement because we put all our improvements, the E-squared
What was the
chamber.
Renegade? The Renegade was a 5.56, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But now we included it in the Revolution. We also offer this in 6.5 Creedmoor.
Oh,
Also, so our piston or DI. So what I'm trying to do here, David, is I'm going to provide the client, the customer, the choices that they want. You want vanilla? I'm going to give you the very best flavor of vanilla I can give you in the piston-driven guns that we're known for. You want chocolate? I'll give you a DI with all the innovations we created with our piston system. So it's up to the user. Do you want vanilla or chocolate, piston or DI?
And they use the same chamber system?
Yes,
and all that?
E-squared chamber, roller cam pin, heat sink barrel nuts, M-lock rails, anti-tilt buffer tubes, drop-in trigger groups with 4.5 pound triggers, crisp fast reset, ambidextrous charging handle, bolt hold open. So you never have to come off the grip to operate. I'll show you. I want to show you it's open and cleared. I could drop it too. Quick, fast, I never left the pistol grip. So why would this be the ultimate fighting machine? It's because I have the AR-15 that shoots 308. You could take the bolt, that firing pin out of this bolt carrier assembly, put a 223 bolt and firing pin in it, and put it in your AR-15 and operate the gun. You can take the charging handle out. You can take that rail and barrel nut and put it on a 223.
Very cool. And the difference in price between the piston and the direct gas?
$100.
$100. So not much. Very close.
Weight's close and money's close.
Right. So this is how many pounds again?
6.8.
6.8. And so the piston's going to be a pound.
Like 7.2.
Right. So under like a half pound. Under a half pound.
Yeah, just under a half pound.
Very cool. All right. Thank you. And this is available right now, right?
right now.
right,
Go to
thank
any of your dealers or distributors, they'll get it to them.
Thank you very much. You're watching DefenseReview.com at SHOT Show 2019 at the POF-USA booth. Thank you very much, Frank. Appreciate
welcome,
it.
David.
You are
Thank you.
watching DefenseReview.com.